Welcome back to Sui Crypto. A new Sui ecosystem token launchpad went live today, MoonBags.io. We're going to take a look at it, talk about why it's potentially different from other launchpads in the ecosystem, and then we'll test it out. Please note, nothing I say is financial advice. It's for education, entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. Taking a look at their X profile, launch token, earn fees, hold Moonbags, incubated by SroomAI DAO, and made by RaidenX. We'll touch on them in a second. But first, let's take a look at this post from earlier today, Moonbags official launch. We're beyond excited to announce the official launch of Moonbags, the ultimate launchpad on Sui network. Moonbags is here to change the game and make Sui the go-to chain for traders. Creators earn on every trade, holders stake to earn passive Sui, customizable bonding curve, no governance token, only Sui pairings, migration to CDIS protocol, Sui's top DEX. So what caught my eye about the launch of Moonbags is the involvement of RaidenX and the fact that it's made by them. RaidenX is one of the top trading bot platforms for Sui ecosystem tokens. I did a video on this a few months ago and have been using it ever since. It's very similar to BullX on Solana, but I personally like it a little bit better, with meme coins being way down, not just on Sui but on every chain. They still have continued to build and add new features. They just recently launched their mobile app, as well as copy trading features, sniping features, and other tools that will help users trade better. But that's what has impressed me most about the RaidenX team. Even in a down market the past few months, they continue to build. You can see here they've integrated the launchpad already, so if we click on this, it's going to take you to the Moonbags website. So if we just scan through this quick, launch tokens, earn Sui next gen launchpad to stop memes from becoming a negative sum game. Make Sui trenches great again. And then if we click here, it'll take us to the docs where they really get to the heart of the problem they're trying to solve. When it comes to the Sui ecosystem meme coin game, it says Sui has a rapidly growing meme coin ecosystem with thousands of new projects launching daily. However, 99% of the projects either fail to complete the bonding curve or rug pull. As a result, dev usually focus on short-term farming projects while traders are in a negative sum game. And here's where they talk about the challenges for creators, and then challenges for traders are laid out here. Current meme coin market operates as a negative sum game where more value is extracted from the ecosystem than injected. And so what I want to get to is, what is their solution? How are they aiming to solve these problems? Make Moonbags different from other Sui ecosystem meme coin launch pads. Moonbags is here to change the game, making Sui the go-to blockchain for traders by ensuring long-term value for both creators and holders through the following key innovations. Number one, creators earn on every trade. Developers get Sui rewards from every transaction, both on Moonbags and DEX. Holders earn by staking. Stake meme coins to earn passive Sui. Customizable bonding curve, set graduation thresholds based on potential of the project, not on a fixed target. Deflationary by default tokens locked to SroomAI DAO treasury with every trade, increasing scarcity. And then CDIS listing, tokens migrate to CDIS, Sui's highest volume DEX. I think this last part's pretty key. Unlike traditional platforms, Moonbags enables tokens to share trading fees during bonding curve period on Moonbags and even after listing on CDIS, ensuring continuous revenue generation for creators and traders. Instead of launching to rug, Moonbags is built to launch to earn from trading and creating long-term sustainability. So that's how they're aiming to change the game. We'll see if they're successful. Let's take a look at the actual launchpad, app.moonbags.io. This launched just about 5 or 6 hours ago, so brand new. Let's go ahead and connect our wallet. We'll test it out. I'm going to connect the Sui wallet, and it looks like we do have some that have already completed the bonding curve. If we click on this, listed on CDIS, so we do have 2 that have already completed the bonding curve, Rebels and Moonbarak CTO. Let's click on Rebels. So up here is where you'll find their website, X profile, Telegram, market cap. This one's currently at 50,000. Take a look here, undistributed fee. If we hover over this, Moonbags employs a revenue sharing system where trading fees are redistributed to creators and stakers. These fees are collected and held until someone distributes it. That's interesting. Currently 1.336 Sui in there. And then here's the SroomAI DAO treasury locked. Let's hover over that. Rebels collected through trading fee are locked in Shroom treasury and locked in the platform. So again, that's a unique thing to Moonbags. Platform locked 25%. So if I'm understanding this correctly, it looks like the creator has already earned 41 Sui in rewards. Stakers have earned 27 and Rebel stakers have earned 48. So that's interesting as well. Definitely different than other platforms. It says Rebel stakes get 35% of trading fees. That's interesting as well. Down here, you're going to see the trading activity. Here you can check out the holders, which is nice, and scroll through this. So let's just go through the process of making a buy just to test it out. So again, I have my wallet connected. I have some Sui in here, and I'll just say 2 and then buy 2 Sui. and approve it. Swap successful. There's Rebels right there. So let's go to staking, and here you can see Shroom staking. If we click on manage, I don't have any Shroom token in my wallet. If I did, I could stake it here. Shroom DAO was formed a couple months ago. It's the first AI investment hedge fund DAO on Sui, and it launched on the Sui DAO's platform, again, which I have a video on. I'll put the link to that in the description. You can check that out. So this DAO is the investment group behind Moonbags, and then RaidenX is the dev team that actually built it. So that's kind of how it's all connected. That's where this comes into place. It looks like you could stake your Shroom here to earn additional rewards and fees on all tokens traded on the platform. I currently have the Rebel token, so if I were to go find Rebel, which is right here, and click on manage, you can see my available balance, and I could just go ahead and stake it and say max amount and stake. Stake successful. So if we click on my stakings, we can now see that I have that much Rebel staked. My rewards right here over time, it should start earning rewards in Sui, I believe, which is nice. So this is definitely interesting, a new twist on meme coins, meme coin launchpads, incentivizing traders to stake to earn additional rewards, hold it longer potentially, and giving incentives to token creators to build a good project so more people stake it. In return, creators earn rewards, I believe, in Sui. And if you wanted to stake Shroom, you would just go ahead and click here to buy it, which will take you to RaidenX. As long as we're on RaidenX, I want to show you, if you go to Fund Zone, this is going to pull in all of the tokens from the fair launch platforms. If we click on filters, you'll see it's pulling in from Turbos Fund, Move Pump, 7K, Sui AI, and then let's select Moonbags. They've already integrated that as well. So then you can just say apply filters. And there you go, you can see Rebels right here. So it's pulling in all of the meme tokens from all of the fair launch platforms across the Sui ecosystem. Again, a reason I love using RaidenX. Back on Moonbags, let's take a look at Treasury. You can see that's the total net asset value of Shroom Treasury. Rebels, market value is $250, and this is the other one that has graduated today. Moon Barak CTO, 116. Again, this is brand new, just a few hours old. And then anyone can create a token. Click on create a new token. Go ahead and give it a name, a ticker symbol, link your website, X account, Telegram, upload an image, give it a description, and launch it. So it's pretty simple. It'll be interesting to watch Moonbags platform and see if it does gain traction, and some of the solutions that they are proposing make a difference and actually make meme coin trading fun again. Incentivize devs, creators of the tokens, to actually build a sustainable project, and incentivize traders to hold longer. So I definitely think it's worth taking a look at this new Sui ecosystem meme coin launchpad, as they are trying to do something a little bit different with incentivizing both token creators and traders. I like what they're doing with staking. I like that Shroom DAO and RaidenX are the teams behind this. So I'll definitely keep an eye on this as we progress further into the year, and am hopefully ready when the market does bounce back at some point. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto content. See you on the next one.